In this video, I've experimented mixing two colors from a Thailand brand called Lolaine Pixxel Color Cream. So this is my before hair color, and it's so obvious that it needs a color retouch. But I decided against it and thought of going lighter, and should I say blonde? This is the light ash blonde, and I will mix it with the extra light blonde. I don't think I need to bleach my hair to get the closest color possible. I'm just aiming for a lighter color. Maybe dark blonde? Anyway, first you have to do patch test for allergy testing, then a petroleum jelly or cream like this Lucas Papaw. A hairbrush to remove tangles. A hair tie for sectioning. An old t-shirt. A pair of plastic or rubber gloves. A mixing comb. A plastic cup for mixing. Next is, with Lucas Papaw or any skin cream protector, you should cover your hairline and any part of your skin that will be exposed to the hair color. Then brush your hair until tangles are gone. The lightest ash blonde and the extra light blonde. You need something like this to cover your table. Then you have to wear plastic or rubber gloves for protection. Then it's time to squeeze both the hair color creams into the plastic cup. Don't ever use a metal cup and mixer. The hair color cream is hard to dispense from the small opening, so I just cut the end of the tube to save time. There you go, perfect! Then it's time to pour both the Oxymilk lotion or the color developer. Mix well until the consistency be like that of a melted ice cream. Use a hair tie to divide your top to the bottom hair. Apply by sections and be sure it won't get into your eyes, but if it does, wash it with water immediately. Honestly, I didn't follow the instructions well, but this must be done by applying the hair color, leaving an inch from the roots and previously colored ends. Then, leave for 20 minutes. After processing time is over, apply the hair color on the ends and leave for 10 minutes. You see, this is wrong, my mistake. You'll see what will happen next. In total, this must be done in 30 minutes for previously colored hair. After processing time is over, spray a little water into the hair, concentrating on the scalp to remove stain and to help hair color to be embedded thoroughly. Now blow dry on cool setting. I can see the color came out, but it was a bit light on the roots. Too bad. The color looks good though, but it looked really dull and dry after I washed it with a mild shampoo and a conditioner. Since I didn't bleach my hair, the color came out just right, and it was lighter. After a few weeks, it got really better. The color lasted so long, and I'm kind of happy with it actually. I recommend using hair treatments regularly to avoid dryness. I personally use Dove hair shampoo and conditioner. So what do you think of these two colors combined, guys? Not much of a difference since both are in the blonde shade, and it lifts the color into its slightest potential. In the box, you can see that the basic instructions were written. There are before and after color results to give you an idea what color you're most likely to have. It also has precautionary measures. It is also GMP certified and is against animal testing. Again, this is the package at the back with the before and after color results. The box contains the color cream, the oxidizing lotion or the developer, and an instruction leaflet. And this is my hair after a week. So this is my hair color after 3 weeks, and I think it looks the same. Thank you so much again. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!